Hey everyone, Stephen here from LittleRobot.AI. I wanted to do a really quick video because I'm sure you have heard the news already. GPT-4 is here. Now, if we imagine what the difference is between this version and the previous version, is the previous version was like this big, and GPT-4 is, well, it goes out of shot. It is a huge development in terms of the amount of resources and information that this learning model has acquired. And it's a little bit confusing as well, because I feel like a lot of AI news out there is just talking about, well, firstly, they're calling it Chat GPT-4, which isn't accurate in the sense where, again, Chat GPT is basically a tool to access GPT-4. It's such a mouthful. I cannot wait until they will inevitably change the name, I hope. But listen up. What can it do differently, and what can you be utilising it for today? So at the moment, their API is not fully open, but there's lots of companies out there on their wait list, and there's even more companies out there that have got early access to it, because I follow a lot of them on Twitter, and they are sharing that they're getting early access, which is amazing. What it can do is it has a much deeper understanding of what you ask it and what it can create in terms of coding, problems, statistics, all of these other avenues that realistically, I don't think anyone here watching or listening to this really has full understanding, including myself, the capabilities of what it can do. Because as always, we tend to focus on what it can do for us rather than what it can do just in general. And what it can do just in general is incredible. I mean, like I said, I can't even imagine what that really looks like, but it is here, and the AI world right now is moving at this incredible pace that, you know, SEO people can't keep up. Google is struggling to keep up with just the change in the churn that AI is creating. OpenAI is creating, I should say, because again, AI is a much broader term. OpenAI is a company creating all these products. But it is moving at a rapid rate, and I can definitely see how confusing it can be when you're trying to understand just like, where do I start? What do I do with it? And all of that good stuff. But one way you can access it is obviously through Chat GPT, but only if you've got the pro version. So the pro version is $20 a month, which I think is a steal considering other tools out there are charging $100+ a month for basically what they're doing is APIing into GPT, exactly like Chat GPT do, but obviously a little bit more direct. So if you've got the pro model, you'll see up here that, hey, I've got GPT-4. God, I cannot say that, can I? Oh well, we move on. Obviously our most advanced model. And they do limit it, so they're limiting it even more. So when I was on here yesterday, they were limited at 100 messages every 4 hours. Now they're doing 50 messages every 4 hours. I suspect it is getting abused a little bit, but it is what it is. But things like... talk me through creating a Google Chrome extension. So what this can do, this has a much deeper understanding of what it can achieve for you. And I've seen a lot of case studies at the moment of people creating these Google Chrome extensions in almost minutes, really, which again, maybe 6 months ago, 4 months ago, maybe even last month, it was a lot harder to do this. If I was a dev right now, a developer, I'd be... Some people are saying, hey, be worried. But I personally would be excited because actually it means that I can increase my workload, bring on more clients, and utilize AI to help me with that workload, rather than thinking, oh no, AI is taking my job. So again, it's how you look at everything. But you could go on here, you could create a Google Chrome extension for anything that you really want to do. You know, if you want to make it, you know, if you go on Amazon a lot and you buy dog treats, for example, you create a Google Chrome extension that selects the best performing dog treats every time and puts it in your basket for you if you wanted to. It is really limited to only what your imagination can do, not just in terms of like a Google extension, but in terms of anything. So the next couple of months are going to be really, really exciting for AI, OpenAI, and the world in general. We are moving at such a rapid rate now that I really am keen to make sure that as many people learn the basics as possible. And for you watching this, let us know what you want to see. We have got so many video ideas to put out there, from how-tos, walkthroughs, to more like videos like this where it's more, I guess, newsworthy videos. So let us know what you want to see, and we will create these videos for you. And if you want to be involved in LittleRobot.AI, if you want to help us create videos, if you want to write content for us, if you've got a passion for AI, let us know. Drop us a message and I'm sure we can help you write some content for us as well. So thank you for watching. It's amazing what we're doing right now. It's still going on here. It's giving me every single step in terms of exactly what I need to do. And this information probably would have taken me an hour, 2 hours to learn before. Now I can just step by step follow it and I can create a Google Chrome extension. It is amazing. OpenAI is amazing. AI in general is amazing. If you're not using it, you're going to lose it. Let's say it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out LittleRobot.AI and we will see you on the next video.